Is it better to close down my loan now? Right? You will be getting this question if you got your financial situation is improved, or lots of questions are running in your mind what to do. So this video will help you in solving this important question which is running in your mind, heart, and everywhere. Right? So let me answer that. So before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be sharing interesting tips to closing down your home loan, making profit on stocks, and etc. Hi, hello, this is Ganesh Santuru, your stock market profit coach. I help you in multiplying your money by investing in stock market, and I'm the author of the book One Page Stock Market Plan. So today's video is all about, is it better to close down my loan right now and just finish it off that debt? Right. So there are few situations which I will share, because of which you may be having this question which is popping up in your head, and your spouse may be saying, your relatives may be saying, and they'll be eating your head, maybe because you will be having a lot of different plan, and they'll be telling that close down the home loan, close down that personal loan, close down that car loan. Right. So the first thing is, your financial situation has changed a lot. Your spouse would have started working. Your promotion which you have been waiting for a long time had increased. This is the first situation, because if your spouse got a job, it means that your salary has another additional salary, additional income. If you got a promotion, it means additional income, right? So this is something which you are expecting, and you accumulated huge amount now by savings or for the last few years. Say you started saving from your almost like last 5 plus years, and without knowing, that amount started increasing a little by little. And this is what will happen if you are saving by SIP for recurring deposit kind of stuff, and that will be the huge sum. After you accidentally check, it will be like a huge sum. You thought, let me take and close down that home loan, what should I do right now? And another situation is, probably the because of the bull market which is running right now, your mutual fund may be performing extremely well, and it will be giving around 20 to 25% returns, and you are thinking, should I close down that loan right now? Right? And another important point is, because you started discussing with your family, with your closed mentor kind of stuff, and they are asking you how much interest you're paying, and then you are checking the actual interest which you're paying to all the loans. Right? And what you found interesting is that interest rate what you're paying is higher than the savings or investment returns whatever you're getting. So which means that you're losing anyway. Instead, how about closing down the loans which is having higher? So this is what will run in your mind. Am I right in asking? Right? So just think about that. So these are the situation which will make you to think, which will make you to pop up the question: is it better to close down my loan right now? Okay. And my simple suggestion is, if debts are there, it will create a lots of stress. And the simple point is, start closing down your loan with higher interest rate first. Say you have a personal loan, home loan, and car loan. First close down the personal loan which will be having higher interest rate. Say if you are having credit card loan debt, close on that, because it will be way higher. And say if it is around, credit card loan interest will be around anywhere between 36 to 48%, and if it is personal loan, it will be around 14 to 18%, and if it is car loan, it will be around 12 to 14% or somehow, and home loan, it will be around 7 to 8 9%. So this will be the interest rate, right? Closed on the which is having the highest among all the loans whatever you are having. Check what is highest loan you are having, and what, say you are having 5 lakhs or 3 lakhs, start closing down, start pushing down and close down something fully, right? And that's the best thing you can do. And is it the best solution? If you're asking, maybe yes. Say if you're having a home loan, my point will be, better to pay for SIP, better to invest for long term, because your home loan interest rate is around 7 8%, and your investment, if it is able to generate around 12 to 15% in the long run, my choice will be investing for long term mutual funds. Or another best choice is, if you're accumulated 3 to 5 lakhs in savings, or if you got from PF, if you're shifting job, you got that amount. My suggestion will be, take that amount, invest for better returns for the future, instead of closing down this home loan interest, because home loan interest is as I said, keep repeating, 7 to 9%, and your investment out of stock market and a mutual fund can be around 15 to 20%, and compounding, just think of how much it can go on and on. Right? If that is the case, instead of closing down the loan, just keep adding your investments. Say after 10 15 years, your home loan will be very small compared to the investments whatever you made. You are leveraging, because anyway, if you're paying down the home loan interest rate, you can show it up in section 24. You can anyway show the principles in ATC. All these benefits are there, right? And if you are in 30% tax bracket, this is very small. You're saving 30% and remaining you're investing, which will give you 15 to 20% in mutual fund and stock market, just think of how much benefit you are taking by doing a proper investment analysis and doing. This is the reason I always say ask your financial advisor before taking a decision, because this varies with person to person. This varies with individual goals, customized for individuals. So if you're someone, if you're looking for these kind of situation, please, these are the strategies which I tell my clients, please apply it. And if you need any help, please post it in the comment section. And without consulting your financial advisor, don't take this decision, because this is specific to individuals, and it's not one size fits all, because it's not like pants or shirts. It's not like if the pant size is 32, only those kind of people can fit. It's because this is customized for individuals, and you may be a high risk taking person. For you, loans are better option, and you will always go for investment. You are someone conservative or moderate, you want to close down all the debts first and then focus on investments later, right? If it depends, and you may be a doctor, you may be a teacher, where you'll be getting a continuous source of income, or you may be working in IT company where your income is way high, and for the next 2 3 years your salary will be high, and you can pay down the debts in the future. If that is the case, close down the home loans fully and then start focusing on savings and investment, right? And if you're a business person, my suggestion will be to close down your all the loans altogether as soon as possible, and then focus on savings. And if you're an IT person, it depends. Every job, every person, every business, every career differs, and that is the reason I keep saying, again I'm repeating, it's on individual basis. So discuss with your financial advisor, discuss with your mentor who is suggesting you ideas on investments, and then take a decision. If you need any help, please post it in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Please click subscribe to this channel, and please make sure you're sharing this video with your friends who is just thinking, is it better to close down my loan right now? Thank you so much for watching.